Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this jellyfish hat on Dress to Impress. So we are just going to use this one, and I'm just going to color it in silk. You can use any purple, blue shade that you would like to. Then I'm going to just layer it with this hat here as well, and then I'm going to do the same thing in silk, and I'm just going to maybe do like a blue or like this but a little bit lighter, so there are some different colors here and there. Again, adding the silk to almost everything like that. And then for the hair, it is totally up to you like what you want to use. I'm gonna just do kind of like, oh my god, this combo, but you can use this one. Looks the most ethereal. I don't know how to pronounce that. Where is it? This one you can also like layer on. Have it no beads though, like that. And then that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.